Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to open these Magic Color Change diaper. This is the unicorn squat. I have opened some unicorn squats before, but I'm thinking this is a different series as we have a different picture on the outside. It is not that much info we are getting on the outside, just that there is 8 different newborn unicorns to collect. So let's get to it and open one of these. I'm just gonna place one in the background. See if these tear strip here will work. Nope, they never do. And we're just gonna do it like this. Yep. And it's of course glued to the inner layer. Okay, I'm gonna use my knife for this. Otherwise we won't ever get into this one. And that might not be enough. Okay. Wow. This is really good on there. There we go. And then this inside one. They really don't need to put 2 of these plastic things, wrappings around them. 1 is more than enough, so this is just waste, garbage, and annoying. Okay, let's see, here we go. Open up this part here. And voila. That was a bit underwhelming. Okay, let's see the guide here. Yes, it looks like this is a different one from the last time. Which one would I like to have? I like this blue and purple one, but this little one is cute. This one. I would like to get Melody, definitely. Okay, let's see what we got here. In the first one, we got a tiny blanket and the little bottle. They are so cute, these bottles. So these are the one where the liquid is going to disappear when you turn it around. Okay, enough. Let's open the next one. Oh, some add-ons. Some tiny things here. I think that is, yeah, a kind of a cookie headband, a tiny rattle, and a pacifier. Oh, I like that. And then we have the parts for the crib. For me, that does not really matter. I don't care about that part. Yes! I got this little thingy here, the why don't she have a name? Let's see, she's here. There she is. Candy. I got Candy. She is so cute. I think it's a great idea to use this piece here. You're supposed to peel that off somehow. And then you can make it out to a rocking bed. I think that's actually a very nice idea, but it's also just an idea, whatever. But for some kids it could be really fun to have that little place where they can be lying and sleeping. So I have a slit here for the headpiece. I don't like that slit here because when you don't have the headpiece in, it looks weird. But let's place this piece in there. Wow. That is not for kids. See if I can get it in. There we go. There we go. But it's kind of cute. And then this rattle should be able to go around the hand somehow. There we go. And then this little cute pacifier, whoops, I dropped it, will go in her mouth. There we go. So this one is really cute. I think the diaper is blue or pink. Blue for a boy and pink for a girl. I actually think this one is pink. Let's try with heat. No. So you need cold water for it to change, but I don't want to do that right now. I don't like water game toys. I'm just gonna place it there, and then we are going to ball number 2. Let me get this open. Oh, that did not work. Whoa, almost. Yeah, I get it to cut. So that was the first layer, and then the second layer. I'm just going the easy way around with this. There we go. Taking this off. It's really good stock on there today. And then, swoop, another collector's guide. Let's take this one first. Uh-oh. The same blanket. And the same bottle. Please let it be someone else. Oh yes, it is. We got some, what's that? That's an iPhone, I think, and a top and a pair of glasses. I think I know whose this is. And then of course in this last one we got the parts for the swings. Yes, same color as before. Oh, let me take that out. And then here we go. Shade. That looks a little blue, this diaper, where this looks a little more pinkish. So I think this is a boy and this is a girl. But let us pop on these accessories here. A little t-shirt. See if I can get it on there. I like that this is more rubbery than hard plastic. It makes it easier to get it on there. And it can actually still move with this one on, so I like that a lot. And the hair is just a matte purple on the back side and a shimmery purple here on the front, and then the little unicorn horn. And here it's just this teal color all the way around, with some nice braids here all the way around the ears. The glasses, they sit really good. And then the little tablet. So that's the 2 I got this time. Let me take one of these. I just did that in the last one, but let me do it again. Now I placed everything in one, so we will see if I can get one to work here. Here we go. I need one of these. And place this in there, and then this one on here. So let me do that again. I'm taking one of these and placing these in there like that. Let me turn that around, and then from this side I'm just pushing this one on there and then placing it here and on the other side. And these can be really loose, or they are actually good on there. This one sits really okay. And there you have like a little bed for your unicorn squat. There we go. That is actually pretty neat that they are using this little half ball for something. But what about the other 3? So they're just garbage? I don't know. Anyway, I think they're really cute. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!